Ever wondered how websites get their stylish looks? How they manage to have eye-catching layouts, vibrant colors, and intuitive designs? The secret lies in a language called CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. Imagine a website as a house. HTML, or hypertext markup language, builds the structure of the house. The walls, the doors, the windows, but CSS is the interior designer. It brings the house to life, adding color to the walls, picking out the right furniture, and ensuring everything flows together seamlessly. So, what exactly is CSS? Cascading Style Sheets is a style sheet language used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. It's like the set of instructions that tell a browser how to draw a web page on your screen. CSS works hand in hand with HTML. While HTML lays out the structure, creating headers, paragraphs, and links, CSS steps in to style these elements. It sets the color of your text, the style of your fonts, the size of your images, and even the layout of your web page. But how does CSS do all this? It uses something called selectors and properties. A selector is essentially a way to select the HTML element you want to style. For instance, if you want to style all the paragraphs in your website, your selector would be P. After choosing the selector, next come the properties. A property is what you want to change about the selector. This could be anything from color, font size, width, height, and margin, to name a few. For example, if you want all your paragraphs to be blue, your property would be color blue. Now you may wonder why the name Cascading Style Sheets. The cascading part of CSS is a fundamental aspect of the language. It refers to the order of priority in which styles will apply if more than one rule is specified. The rules that are declared later or are more specific will override the earlier, more general rules. This cascade allows for a high degree of flexibility and control over your website's design. So, to summarize, CSS is the language that makes websites not just functional but also beautiful and user-friendly. It works alongside HTML, using selectors and properties to style the elements on a web page. And the cascading in Cascading Style Sheets refers to the way CSS determines which rules apply when multiple rules are in place. In the constantly evolving world of web development, mastering CSS is a valuable skill. It's what takes a basic web page and turns it into a visually stunning and intuitive interface. So next time you're browsing the web, take a moment to appreciate the CSS at work behind the scenes, making your online experience that much more enjoyable.